Hello, it's Robert Burr here at the Rum Wreck Dive Bar for another episode of Rum Minute. Today we're looking at Naked in Jamaica dark rum from Florida. A rich planter-style dark rum, Naked in Jamaica is a private label spirit produced by vintage airplane collector Kermit Weeks. This rum was created to his specifications by Florida Caribbean distillers in Winter Haven, Florida. Naked in Jamaica dark rum is inspired by a song of the same name depicting a lifestyle of casual enjoyment in the tropical setting of Negril. This whimsical rum strives to rekindle old-fashioned tropical essences used to make classic cocktails such as Planter's Punch. It's a good base ingredient for tropical punch recipes and makes a fine dark floater on top of tiki cocktails. Aromas of rich molasses and brown butter dominate the nose before a suggestion of vanilla, cinnamon bun, toasted coconut, and dark fruit. On the palate, initial notes of sweet caramel, butterscotch, and vanilla buttercream precede prune wine, chocolate brownie, and treacle with just a hint of oak. The finish fades slowly with echoes of sweet coconut, then bitter chocolate over buttery croissant. Naked in Jamaica took home a gold award in the boutique dark rum category at the Rum XP tasting competition at Rum Renaissance Festival, as well as a gold award from the Consumer Rum Jury. The 750 milliliter plastic bottle of Naked in Jamaica dark rum at 80 proof sells for about $19.